How goes it, YouTube? Today is Friday, so happy Friday or happy whatever day it is that you're watching this. I'm gonna do this video before she decides she wants to start crying. The app I'm gonna show you guys today is called Today's Side Hustle Friday that I'm bringing to you is an app called TomAsk or iMoney. It is only offered on iOS devices and Apple. So this particular app is an app where you can make money off of just downloading different apps. So this will be your home screen. As soon as you sign up, it'll ask you to follow a process, which in order to do it, I'm going to say when you log in, you make sure when it tries to link to your device, you allow it to download, and if it doesn't do it the first time, exit out of the app completely. Switch your internet, your Safari to private mode and try it again. If that doesn't work, exit out again and go back from private mode to regular, and it should go through, because I was having issues when I first signed up. Okay, with this particular app, you have to download different apps and you'll have to stay on there for 3 minutes. So you don't really have to keep the app, you just download it and stay on it. So it says, it's blown out, but it says many tasks will become at 4 p.m., which is in New York Standard Time. Well, in New York time, which will be, if you're on the Pacific Coast, it'll be 12 o'clock. But right now it's 2:10. So I have some things. So the first thing you do, you click on an app. It says, before I go there, it says there's 250 offers remaining for this one. So you want to get it before there's no more remaining. Click OK. And when it pops up, it'll tell you step 1. What? It's giving me issues. Okay. The first one, it says you're going to go to the step 1. You're going to copy and paste it into the App Store. So I would click on it. It'll copy it and open up in the App Store. You have to make sure you're going through the app. So you click it in the search bar. You want to paste the app calling and look for that particular app. I think it's the first one. Oops. I'm looking for the phone. That. Okay. So. Excuse me. So I'm looking for that one on the App Store. So I gotta scroll until I find it. You just have to keep scrolling until you find it, and once you find it, then there it is. Once you find it, you click on it, you push get, let it download. We'll have to let it download. It's going to download. And once it's finished downloading, go back to TomAsk or iMoney, and then click. You have to go through the app. So you would click open, and you have to stay on there for 3 minutes exactly, whether you're scrolling through it or whatever you're doing. It says set a password, which I'm not going to. So I basically just sit on here for 3 minutes and wait it out. So, but with this particular app, if you have issues with downloading, like I said, just do as I suggested, is just to try to do it the first time it doesn't go through, exit all the way out of the app, switch over to private mode on your Safari, do it again. If that doesn't work, exit out again, and then click back on your Safari, change it back to regular, and then it should go through. So once that happens, you should be cool, because all you really need is, I think it's, if I remember correctly, it's just your email address. I think that's it. And with this particular app as well, I'll show you. I'll have to show you. You get paid out for the first transaction, and you can continue to pay out whenever you get to a certain amount. So I'll show you. because I don't want to tell you the wrong thing. And see, I don't think I'm there yet, but I'll go back to TomAsk and see how much time I have left to receive reward at the bottom. And it tells you I still have 102 seconds left. And you know, sometimes I've had a few issues, like with some of the downloading processes, like I get stuck and I can't exit out because of the fact that it won't give it to me. So watch, if I exit out, for instance, because it was giving me problems. I have to have to go out and go back. So I went out and went back, and I still have 60 seconds left to go into the app. So another 60 seconds and I can go back to the app, and then I'll show you guys I received the money, and I'll show you when I go over to the money that you can see that you get that accumulative, and you can pull it out at any time. But the only thing with this app is that if you're in a smaller area, you don't get that many offers to download and wait for, because you get anywhere between, I would say, 10 to 30 cents that I've seen so far, and you don't really get that many offers that often, so you have to check periodically to get it. So once you get it, then that's when you should be receiving. Okay, let's see. I'll go back to it and see if I can get it. What the heck? Look, now it's giving me issues. Look, okay. Sometimes you might see an error, but it'll still give it to you. Like right now, I just received, when it's done, you see I received 23 cents just for that transaction while it's loading. Excuse the background noise, that's my nephew in Israel. Let me try exiting out again. I know I've had a few issues with it. And see, it goes back to there. So now, once you've done all the tasks, and I have these, you have to make sure you pay attention, because now here's it tells you exactly how many you have remaining before there aren't any more left. So there's a couple. And once you can do those, and they're all about 23 cents each, as you can see on this side. It tells you how much. Now I made $5.39. This is everything I've done. And see, this is the one I just did. I got 23 cents for the transaction, and these are all the different ones I've done. You go over to, you can see I'm already pulling out money as is. See, I've gotten $1, which is the first transaction you can pull out will be $1, and then $5. So this is a test, and then this one will be the regular. So far I pulled out $6, and I still have $5. And I've had this for 5 days, I believe. 5 days. Now, to withdraw, you just go over to withdraw, which is in the corner. Click withdraw. And it gives you the options, which when you first start, it'll have the dollar option where you can pull out the first dollar. That's to verify your PayPal account. And then after that, you can pull out 5, 10, 25, and 50. And so far I have $5.39. I can pull it out if I wanted to, but I don't really want to. But as I showed you before, that it is, you can see that I did pull out money already. My transaction, I did pull out $5 already and $1, and that is actually in my PayPal account. It has been pulled out. I can pull up my PayPal so you guys can see. So I'll do that in a minute. But then you can also, not just that way you get money that way, then you also can get money from offers, from invitation when you invite people. As well at the bottom, if you look at the very bottom, there's the money option. Then there's the bell. It tells you what you've received. It tells you the people you can invite. If you look at it, invites, which you can get $2 for each person that you invite, and then 50 cents for the first task they complete. See? So, and that's basically the app. So you just continue to do that every time. You just download what's available. You just do it and find it. Just check in periodically and you get it. This one keeps giving me an error, so I can't do the first one. But you do that periodically and you continue to do that. And look for the app in the App Store. And again, this is not offered for Androids. Go to PayPal. Show you where TomAsk it is at, so you can see money in. So money received. Look at that. This is right there. iMoney. Received $5 from iMoney. So it is legit. You do get the money. So yeah, that is the app that I wanted for you guys to see for this Side Hustle Friday. Excuse the background noise and the little technical difficulties that I was having. And yeah, so that's all you do. You just continue to do that. I've received about maybe $11 within 5 days. And you do not have to keep the app. You can after 3 minutes, once you go back to the app and they give you the money, you can go back and unload the app or delete the app off of your phone. And you just sit here for 3 minutes with it on the screen, or you could scroll through the app if you want. You could try the app out. It's up to you. Which me, if it doesn't look interesting to me, I just stay on the front screen and let it play for 3 minutes and go back and receive my money. That's basically what I do. But you know, it just depends on the person, what you want to do, and this is live. So yeah, so that is this week's Side Hustle Friday. I thank you so much for watching. Give me a like, a dislike's up to you. Comment down below if you like this app or whatever you think about it. You can reach me on all social media platforms. Subscribe, hit that notification bell, and I will see you guys in the next video. If you have something that you would like me to try out, I would more than willing to try it out. Let me know, and I thank you so much for watching. See you in the next video. And let me go back to TomAsk.
Part 2.
And you can see how much time I have remaining. I have another minute. So, but yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. And I am having a little, error, but it still works regardless of anything. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next video. And
Part 2.
See you guys later. Have a great day.